How I got this MacBook, which is worth 99,000 rupees for just rupees 46,000. Here is all the steps and tricks that I used. Watch the video till the end. The first thing that I did is go to Facebook Ads Library and search for the best offers that I could get on the MacBook Air M1. As soon as I found an offer from Chroma, which was giving me 13% off, which is making the total amount to about 86,999. So I applied another coupon, which again I found on Facebook Ads Library, which made the cost to 85k. Now, after the effective price of 85k, I used HDFC credit card, which gave me another 10,000 rupees flat off on the product, which is making the total to 75,000 rupees. As my laptop was for business purpose, I got to claim 18% GST, which made the price effectively 61,900. Now, to put the cherry on the top, I sold my old laptop for an exchange of 15,000 rupees. That way, the overall cost became 46,000 effective. This whole price is based on multiple factors. One is offers, then credit card specific discounts, and then the exchange offer. You may have different variations according to your credit card and other offers, but always keep a lookout whenever you buy something so that you get the best offer and the best price. Hope this reel was helpful. Let me know in the comment section how cool this was, and trust me, Ad Library came to the rescue.